On some wireless access points, you're going to see the option for a schedule. And I definitely recommend that you have a schedule, especially if you work during specific hours. A schedule allows you to say when the wireless access point is going to be alive and accepting client connections. By checking the box, you see the option for fixed as well as all day, and it's going to choose Monday through Friday. I could also change this to adding in Saturday and Sunday if my workers are there as well, and I can click the active between option. So by default, it's going to be from 9 to 5, but you can certainly go ahead and change that, say, from 8 to 5. Now, the addition of the schedule adds some additional security because it keeps people from trying to hack your network when no one else is around. Say, from your parking lot, someone could come in and park there and put a wireless sniffer in there to try to sniff the passwords and maybe even run a dictionary attack to try to guess the passwords of your various different users. Or if you're using a pre-shared key, it only has to guess the one password. There's also another option for variable. So here we can see that the network will be accessible during a variable schedule. So that means that Monday could have a different active schedule than, say, Tuesday does. So instead of saying it's the same amount of hours every day, you could go ahead and change the hours to different hours for each day. Schedules can definitely increase the security of your network, especially when no one is around.